Good day, friends. We're going to give our business customers, our commercial lines customers, a little bit of an update on things that we're dealing with to answer your questions that have come up as we respond to the COVID-19 crisis. First, a lot of questions have arisen relative to business income coverage and whether or not that applies to the situation. The short answer is business income coverage does not respond to COVID-19 type situations because there's no direct physical loss to covered property from a covered peril. After the SARS crisis that started in 2003, the industry in all states had filed forms to clarify that virus or bacteria isn't something that would be covered as a peril, but more importantly, coverage forms required there to be a covered damage to a piece of property in order to trigger coverage. So the fear or threat of a virus is not something that's ever been covered. So what can you do to help mitigate the cost of your insurance if you can't rely on coverage? Well, the first thing is, if you have auditable exposures on your liability or workers' compensation insurance, you should talk to your agent here at Tenite Group to talk about whether or not an adjustment to the payroll or the sales needs to be accounted for so that your premiums are then reduced over time while the policy is in force. That's one way to keep your premiums down. Another thing to keep in mind is if COVID-19 has caused you to be in a position where you just can't afford to pay your premiums the coming month, all carriers are working on extended payment plans as directed by the Department of Financial Services to try to help all of us in times where cash is lean. So if you have that situation, you can't pay your bill, please do not ignore it. Give us a call or give the carrier a call to see what extended terms are available. Most importantly, we just want to tell you that we are all in this together. We are dealing with it as best as we can here. We're trying to remain staffed at full capacity so that we can answer your questions and handle your claims. If you have any questions on this or anything else that you're dealing with, please give us a call at the office. Thank you, and may you, your family, and your coworkers stay safe and healthy. Thank you.